Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at some cool objects under the microscope. First, let's take a look at blood at 1,000 times magnification. This next clip comes from All Things Magnified. Go check out their channel on YouTube. It is of ingrown hair at magnification. Can you guess what the third item is? We'll put the answer at the end of the video. Wow. Now, we have some cool plucking of hair at about 100 times magnification. Adam recorded this. Neat. And the fifth item is the human iris at varying levels of magnification. How cool is the human eye up close? Wow. And now, the trivia answer. Did you guess right? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting medical content every single week, sometimes more frequently, and we'll see you next time. Adios.
Good morning. I'm here to tell you that rest more really works. I'm someone who used to feel really tired always in the afternoons just because I never slept well at night. But that's all changed now thanks to Rest More. If you want to have more energy all day, try and rest more before bed. I did. Buy restmore.com.
Restmore is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Restmore. Now available on Amazon. Good night.